Sitting comfortably, continuing to sit comfortably. Let's start with a Ho'oponopono, an amazing, magical technique given to us by the Hawaiians. It's a Hawaiian technique. Thank you, Hawaiians, who gave us this beautiful Ho'oponopono technique. Ho'oponopono for eyes to restore our vision, to reverse eye challenges, to get clarity through the eyes, in the mind, to feel lightness after having cried or felt heavy, and to get that divine perception. Eyes, oh my God, if we can see whether it is 6-6 or through the help of glasses 6-6, we have so much to be grateful for. So much. An entire year's breathwork session could go only in gratitude for the eyes. Of the 5 senses, this is 96% of the work done, they say. The gift of sight. Dear eyes, repeat mentally after me. I see you just like you see things. I feel you. I honor you. I'm sorry for all the times I have strained you, for all the screen time, for all the stress, for the tears, for the toxins that I have exposed you to. I'm in a better place now since a few days, weeks, months, years. And I know I ought to be thanking you. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for that awesome session of eye yoga. I'm grateful. But before my gratitude, let me apologize to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for ignoring all the subtle signals you were giving me and not giving you enough rest or sunlight. I'm sorry. For not doing my sunbathing. I'm sorry, my eyes. I will catch up. Please forgive me for taking your vision for granted. If I overdo this, I know you will again play up. How much can you pull on? I'm sorry. I don't want you to strain anymore and surface at a time when I am aging and dependent. I'm here in a very safe space. Please forgive me for taking your vision for granted. Please forgive me for not listening when you asked for water, for a splash, for sleep, for care, for coolness, for those cotton pads to be rested on my eyelids. I'm sorry for forgetting that you are the gateway to my soul and to the beauty of this amazing world. Thank you for showing me everything. Thank you for showing me what this amazing planet and universe has to offer. The shades of green and greenery, the shades of pink, the shades of blue. Oh my God, how much beauty there is over here. Silly old me to keep complaining. Oh, I'm grateful, eyes. I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for showing me everything from colors to smiles. I'm grateful. For books to sunsets. I'm grateful. For valleys to oceans. You showed it all to me. I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you for being with me every moment in silence. Thank you for being with me every moment in laughter. Thank you for being with me every moment in my prayer. Thank you for adjusting to my new glasses. Thank you for adjusting to light and darkness. Thank you for refocusing. Thank you for reblinking. Thank you for bearing the weight of the day. I thought it was only my legs. Eyes. Yeah, you do million times more the work than my legs. Thank you. I love you. I love you for being the miracle that you are. I love your retina. I love your lenses. I love your cornea. I love your tear ducts. I love every delicate part of you. I love how you shimmer when I cry and sparkle when I smile. फिर से I love you for being the miracle that you are, my eyes. I love your retina. I love your lenses. I love your cornea. I love your tear ducts. I love every delicate part of you. One tiny, tinku little hole out there on the eyes, and what miracles it is showing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Complainers, अब तो gratitude करो. I love how you shimmer, how you shine when I cry and sparkle when I smile. I now bless you, my eyes, my John, my beloved eyes. I'm not going to wait for the day when you show up, when you display, when you suddenly make me wear glasses, which may have happened very recently. To heal, to hydrate, to see clearly, inwards and outwards, my eyes. To see the beauty, to see truth, to see the world through gratitude and grace. Thank you. Thank you, my divine intelligence, to restore my eyes to their highest natural potential. Let every tear become a drop of healing nectar now. Let every blink be a reset. Let every gaze be filled with love for others. I'm safe to see. I'm ready to witness miracles. I'm open to seeing life with a fresh lens. I'm sorry, my eyes. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.